What's going on, everyone? I thought I would share an experience with you with this Kia Forte I have here. It's a 2017. It has electronic power steering, and it came in for an alignment. And when we first went down the street in it to check the alignment, the steering wheel is cocked to the left. Got it on the rack, did the alignment, got it within specs, and pulled it off the rack. And as soon as you go a couple feet through the shop, it immediately returns straight back to this position here. Okay, no matter what we did. Pulled back on the rack, checked it, everything's all green, everything's all good. Still crooked, all right, as soon as we go down the road. When you do start the alignment on the machine, I'm using a 100 machine, it does prompt you that you need to calibrate the steering angle in it. Most cars these days, you need to calibrate the steering angle, and a lot of times you can get away with not doing it. Most cars these days don't have the old school power steering pumps setups. They use electronic power steering. It's controlled by the computer. There's an electronic motor on the steering column. This one is like that. So we need to calibrate this guy, okay, the steering angle. We need to tell the car, basically, this is where the steering wheel needs to be. It needs to be straight now. Our alignment rack told us we need to do it, but it didn't want to allow us to do it, okay? So I had to go and use my scan tool here. This is an old launch scan tool. I went into reset, and right here where it says SAS, reset, went into here. Okay, you're just gonna go okay. Prompt you a bunch of stuff. Now, I'll have the, this is actually an old version of the scan tool. There's a new version that's wireless and everything like that. It'll work the same. I'll have a link down in the description box if you want to check this scan tool out. It's like $300 or $400. It's bi-directional, which allows you to do these things here, what a normal scanner won't let you do. It's a nice cheap option to go ahead and be able to fix your car. We're going to pick Kia. We're going to press OK. And OK, OK. And the US version of this Forte, hit OK. Okay, so right here it says ESP, Electronic Stability Program. I first went into this and tried to program it, and it wouldn't let me. Okay, it wouldn't do anything. It would tell me that there's an error, that the conditions aren't met. So with this car here is actually this MDPS, okay, motor driven power steering. Went in here and special function, ASP calibration, hit that, followed the prompts, hit OK, and then drove it down the road, and everything was all good. So hope this information helps you out, that sometimes you're going to need a scan tool to go ahead and get the car's alignment fixed. It's pretty nuts these days.